Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm coming on to show you what I was able to get at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I bought these acrylic blanks. There's 6 of them for $1.89, and I'm not sure what I'll do with them, but we'll see. And then they had the keychains, $1.99 for a 6-piece. I thought that was cute. They're pink, the pink glitter. And then they had the gold glitter and the silver glitter. Those would be great for a craft fair. Then I bought the wax silicone mat for making the wax seals, and it was $1.14. You can use that for probably pretty much any type of glue project. And then they had these stickers, the sunflowers, which is great for summer crafting and fall crafting. $1.12 for those, and normally $4.49. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. They had the mini roses for 40% off. So the regular $3.99, so 40% off of that. And I did buy these stickers, and they were 40% off as well. Okay. We had a lot of stuff. I'm very fortunate to get this. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. Sorry. Okay, so I did, let me get my name tag out of the way. I did find these. The folded cards and envelopes are 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. I've never used that size, but 87 cents for 24 pieces, so 12 cards. You can make these for a craft fair, and that would be such a great deal to sell those cards that way. Or you can, just make a bunch of cards for yourself. Or if you're doing crafting for Cubs this month, you could do that. I mean, cards for Cubs this month, that would be great. I'll actually tell you a little bit about that organization in a few minutes. And here's another one. This is 24 piece, so 12 pack. Textured flat cards and envelopes for 74 cents. So you make 12 cards with that. That's a really good deal. And I bought another one. I'm not sure what's all over that. I probably should have checked that out. So I did buy another one of the 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And then that, I bought 2 more of these. Thought that was such a great deal for those A2 cards. And then I found this. They're all envelopes, and I believe there's 50 craft envelopes, and they're a little bit bigger than A2, and that's okay. I can use those as well. Another one of the stickers, the sunflower stickers. Oh boy. And then I found these cuties. You see, these were 40% off. Look at all of them. So I bought 2 packages of the daisies for 40% off. They were $2.49, so 40% off of that. And then the flower stickers, I just bought that 1 pack for $1.99, 40% off of that. And then I did purchase these, 40% off of $3.99. And then these are plastic, so $2.99 for these. Thought they were super cute. Okay. Then I bought this wax seal stamp, regularly $4.49 for $1.99. Purchased the ribbon. It was $5.99, but 40% off of that. It's really cute. Can't wait to use that. Oh, I did buy another one of these. Okay, that's cute. And then I bought those bunnies, $1.99, so they were 40% off of that. And I bought the carrots. They're felt, and they were 40% off of that $1.99. And then I found this twine, $2.99, and it was 40% off of that. Look how much, and the colors. The colors are beautiful for spring. And then I found this cutie. It's they're stickers, and they're made out of little gems. They're so cute. And $2.99, they were 40% off of that. Everything for the spring shop was 40% off. And then I did find this wax seal. The package was torn up for $2.99. And the gold metallic. I'm going to try that and see how that works. Oh, and I did get that pink ribbon in the yellow too as well. So that was $5.99. That was a little pricey, but it was 40% off of that. So yeah, I love their ribbon. I love Hobby Lobby ribbon. So, but anyway, that's it. Got a lot of stuff. That was at Hobby Lobby. I did get a few things at Dollar Tree. So let me show you those real quick. I purchased this Aladdin book, and then the Prince and the Pauper. I'm going to turn those into journals, and then the Jungle Book. Let's see what else. I did find these carrot stickers at the Dollar Tree. And I did get some Crinkle, the Easter grass. And I purchased, oops, get this out of the way, these felt stickers, the eggs, which are cute. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I got quite a bit. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys. You have a great day. Bye.